Hello, my dear students. Good day to one and all. Welcome to the today's session. In our previous discussion, if you can recall, the last but one video or the last but one uh, slide was on a small table where I displayed S block and the P block elements and their ionization enthalpies. Ionization enthalpy is a very important factor, and on this factor there are some other sub-factors which affect the IE value. So already we discussed some factors. Now today we are discussing one more factor. Before that, I am taking once again the same slide where we have stopped, and that slide I gave it to you to go through and to analyze and be ready with the solution. Today I take once again as a small recap the same example, the same table, and we will discuss why IE decrease or why IE increase. Okay, let us start. This is the table I showed you in my previous discussion. Okay, and this is what this is IE increases due to the effective nuclear charge increases, and here IE decreases because of the number of shells increases, electron goes far away from the nucleus. This is the general trend. Okay, now if you take some examples, you see here, this is beryllium is more than boron. This is beryllium is more than boron. If you move from left to right, I should decrease. Okay, that means beryllium, if you compare with boron, beryllium is on the right side of the beryllium. Boron is on the right side of the beryllium. So if you move from beryllium to boron, that means we are moving from left to right. If you move from left to right, I should decrease. But what is happening here? I is increasing against the general trend. Why? This is explained. See, ionization enthalpy no doubt depends on many factors, but still there are small here and there exceptions due to personal exactly what happens there at that moment. So that is taken separately. Okay, right. This is because of what? Because beryllium atomic number 4 1s2 2s2 and boron 1s2 2s2 2p1. Reason number 1 is the last electron goes to the p orbital. Okay, it is away from the nucleus. One reason. Second is, you see here I have written, due to penetration effect. What is penetration effect? Penetration effect is the spending time of an electron in a particular orbital. If the electron is in the s orbital, it spends more time close to the nucleus because of the shape. Okay, spherical shape. And as you move from s to p, p to d, d to f, penetration means spending time in that orbital with respect to nucleus, it is increases. That means f electron will not spend that much time close to the nucleus compared to the s. So the fifth electron in the case of boron, where it is in the p orbital. Now see the penetration effect of p is next, s is more, p is next. So due to the less penetration effect, less spending time towards the nucleus, you can remove easily electron. Therefore boron has got a slightly lesser IE compared to Be. It is an exception case. Okay, same thing for Mg, Al, Ca, Ga. Okay, for all these green belt, so green is here and the answer is here only. Okay, now we'll go to the next yellow area. Okay, nitrogen is more than oxygen. Again here, if you move from nitrogen to oxygen, we are moving from left to right. As per the rule, left to right, I should decrease, but here I is increasing, more and less. Actually, as per the rule, less and more should happen here in this pair only. See, we are discussing by taking this area only, not everywhere. General trend is there, no doubt, but in some area, okay. So in this area, when you compare between N and the O should be less than the N, but it is becoming O, ulta here. So N is becoming more than the O. The reason is again some other factors away from general. So there are general trends are there. Apart from the general trend, there are some particular trends are there. So we have to discuss now along with the general trends, particular trends. Here the trend is which is affecting this pair is nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, whereas this is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. If you compare 2p4 and 2p3, half filled in the case of nitrogen, half filled is more stable than the normal electronic configuration. So because it is half filled, extra stability, so very difficult to remove the electron. When it is more stable, then naturally we feel more energy required to remove the electron. That's why I is more than the O. Due to what? Extra stability acquired due to the half filled. Why half filled will have extra stability? That I already discussed in the structure of atom last part. Same reason, same reason. Okay. Now we'll go to the top to bottom, red area. Aluminium is less than gallium. Aluminium's IE is less than the gallium's IE. What is the general trend? Aluminum, gallium are the members of the same family. Okay, boron family. Okay. Now, general trend says that when you move from top to bottom, IE should decrease. Okay, why? Electron is going far away. Therefore, we require less amount of energy to remove the electron. Therefore, IE is decreases if you move from top to bottom. Now, when I move from aluminum to gallium, that means I am moving from top to bottom. If I move from top to bottom, IE should decrease. But what is happening here? IE is not decreasing. IE is becoming more. See, gallium is more. Excuse me. Why gallium is more? Again, because of what here? This is the, if you see the electronic configuration of the gallium, here 3D entry is there. When 3D entry is there, that will cause some problem. If you see the shapes of the d orbitals, they are diffused in the space compared to p and the s orbitals. So, because 3D orbitals shape is diffused in the space in the 3D region, they can't protect the outer electron properly. When they can't protect the electrons, outer electrons properly, so outer electrons are dragged by the nucleus. Therefore, when the outer electrons are not protected properly by the inner electrons, in the case of gallium, especially by the 3D electron, outer electron is slightly pulled towards the nucleus. When the pull is more, removal is difficult. Therefore, gallium is having more IE than the aluminium. This is purely because of what? 3 entry. In the same way, you see indium, thallium, and tin, lead, antimony, bismuth, tellurium, polonium, all this area, here 3D entry is there. Here if you go here, F entry is there. F is again diffuse lobes, many lobes diffuse. They can't properly cover the outer electrons. When the outer electrons not covered properly, again pulling is more. If the outer electrons are before the outer electrons d are there, f are there, they can't cover properly, they can't protect properly. So because of the not protecting properly the outer electrons by the d and the f, pull is there by the nucleus over the outer electrons, thereby increasing the ionization enthalpy. This is the reason. Okay, so I think it is very clear. So you have to assume the mental picture of the s, p, d, f orbitals. Okay, we will go to the next now. Today's topic. Today's topic is shielding effect. The word shielding is shield. See, during the war, not now, earlier, soldier used to take round metallic cover. Okay, so it will protect from the enemy's attack. Earlier, they were attacking with the only normal knives or normal weapons, not like present atomic bombs. Therefore, they used to cover their body with the as usual metallic apron. Apart from the metallic apron, they used to take in the hand some round shaped metallic weapon. This is called protector. That is called shield. So it is acting like a shield for the soldier. Here also, some electrons will act as a shield. Let us take the previous just now we discussed example. So inner electrons acts as a cover for the outer electrons. When the inner electrons act as a cover or they act as a shield for the protection for the outer electrons. That means outer electrons are not dragged by the nucleus, thereby you can remove the electron easily. Okay, so inner electrons acts as a wall or the protection or the shield for the outer electrons. That means whatever pull is there by the nucleus on the outer electron, it is less. That is called shielding effect. Please see. This I have taken example of what? Lithium. Lithium is 1s2, 2s1. So here this is 1s2, 2 electrons. Don't think that there are many electrons. There are not many electrons. 2 electrons are moving. Okay. So 2 electrons are moving randomly wave nature here and there. This is the 1 electron, 1s2, 2s1. Okay. Now this outer electron is protected by these inner electron. You see, there is a cover. So this cover will protect this electron. That means whatever proton charge, whatever the nuclear charge is there on the, how many protons here in the lithium? There are 3 protons. These 3 protons, do you think that 3 plus is there on this? No. Okay, 3 plus and these 2 electrons are protecting, that is -2. So only +1 effect is there on the outer electron. So that means nuclear charge is less on this electron. So due to the cover, they are protecting the outer electron. That is the meaning of what? Shielding effect. Then this will experience the less pull, less attraction towards the nucleus. Thereby you can remove this electron easily. That I will show here. Less pull towards the nucleus, and you can take easily electron. Which electron? The electron which is in the 2s1 in the case of lithium. So the amount of attraction exerted on valence electrons by the nucleus is called as effective nuclear charge. It is less on the outer electrons. Z is what? Number of protons 3 in the case of lithium. S is what? Inner electrons 2. So 3 minus 2, only +1 attraction is there on the nucleus, by the nucleus on the outer electrons. Okay, now relation between the ionization enthalpy, electronic configuration and the atomic radius. Okay, the outer electron experiences 2 opposing forces. They are force of attraction from the nucleus and the force of repulsion among themselves they repel each other. So repulsion among themselves, protection for the outer electron, these two. Okay, so because of this, the decrease in the force of attraction exerted by the nucleus on the valence electrons, I told, due to the presence of inner electrons, okay, is called screening effect or the shielding effect. Clear? Very good. So today we will wind up for this, because shielding effect is more important. We will wind up here only. Thank you, my dear boys.